Hey, Brandon DIY here, and today I wanted to do a review of the on-brand Roku TV that I recently purchased. I've been using this TV for about a few months now, and I wanted to just come on here and share with you all of the different features and everything that I really like about this TV. Now, most of what I talk about is going to be pretty much similar to the 32-inch, the 43-inch, and the 50-inch, and everything in between. You know, there's all the different sizes. I'll be linking to this TV down below. When you purchase through that link, it really does help this channel. It helps me make more content like this. If this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. So this is what you get in the box. You're going to get a remote. You're going to get batteries with that remote. And then you're going to get a user manual and everything you need to set up. So you have this button on the bottom, that's to power on. You see the speakers, and you can actually attach, of course, the legs to this TV. I'm going to be putting it up on the wall. Actually, you'll see me do that here in this video, so I'm not going to need those. I went with 40 inches because that's the size that I believe would work well with the space that I had. Here's the power cable. This is just the back of the TV, just so you see what's back here. You can put on a bracket here on the back for you to put it on a wall. There's all the information, some of the different specs on it. And then here we have an AV input. You got video, left and right audio. Here you have 3 HDMI ports, an antenna cable, optical, USB 2.0. This is some of the information you're going to want to know when you're buying this TV is what are the different inputs you can put into this specific TV. So here I am putting my new TV up on the wall. I've already put in the bracket, so this was very simple, easy to do. I've been using this TV for about 2 months now. As I said, I'm very happy with the quality of this TV. It was a lot less expensive than some of the other brands, and that's why I wanted to talk about this brand, is because I have never really used this brand on brand. And I've used Roku TV before, but not this brand. I've used Samsung, I've used LG. On brand is just a newer brand that's out there. It's a lot less expensive than the other name brands. Everything that you would get with some of these other brands is what you're going to get with on brand. You know, most TVs, they're all pretty much the same. It's really just about branding. And a lot of times you can be afraid to use a brand such as this one because you're not sure of the quality. But in reality, this TV has everything that you would find on any other TV. So here I'm setting up. I am using a QR code to set up, and that's one of the really cool things that I found with this TV is I was able to set up totally with my smartphone, and I found that to be really, something that works well because most of these apps that you're going to be using, most of these different streaming services, you usually need to synchronize with an external account, meaning an account on your smartphone or on another TV. So that worked really great. So overall, I'm really happy with the quality on this on-brand Roku TV. I would highly recommend it if you're considering purchasing one for yourself.